apart from the annoyance that I have with these things, because not very well designed, they need to be pushed there and opened then, and it doesn't really, it's not very clear that that's what needs to happen. This is for the link system, so not everyone will use it. But the good thing about those boxes, that they are actually designed for the link system, and they can be stuck together. And when they are put together, they stay nicely on top of one another. Now, they will slide this way quite easily, but not this way. So this way they won't slide, they are well locked, but that way they will slide. Is it a good thing or bad thing? I guess it depends on the situation, but generally these boxes are very well designed, and the new drill bit series, it's a big innovation, so give them a try. In the UK they're at the promotion, so hopefully you can buy them. So they are all based on the, what do we call it, this, the shank is hexagonal rather than round, so that helps. So these are metal drill bits, so because we have those hexagonal shanks, the drill bit will not slide in a drill when there is some extra resistance, which often happens. So that's a very good idea. Same here with those multi-material drill bits. Not only can we drill with multiple materials with one drill bit, but also they have those hexagonal shanks. I think they're called shanks, aren't they? So and these are very nice drill bits, yeah, fairly. So this is not very sharp, but strong enough, and the tip is much sharper. I can't cut my skin with it, I guess, but it's sharp enough to do some drilling.